Hey everybody, I'm Steph.
I'm Michael.
And today we're checking out HUTAN.
From the app.
Yeah.
This game plays 1 to 4 players and has a box playtime of 30 to 45 minutes. Thanks to the app for providing us this copy of HUTAN, but they didn't give it to us in exchange for this video. They gave it to us because they know we like to play all the games. So if you enjoy drafting and I guess you could say tile placement. You're sort of trying to group patterns together. If you like those sort of games, you will probably enjoy HUTAN. Let's take a look at this while I teach you all the rules.
Yeah.
So every player is going to get the same 4 Rainforest boards. There are four different colored boards: red, blue, white, and pink. They also have a circle side and a square side. You can set them up using whichever side you want, but what we would recommend is that one person shuffle them up, place the boards out, and then everybody else mirrors them exactly. Then you're going to shuffle all of the flower cards and create 9 face down stacks. And each stack will have a number of cards based on the player count. For 2 players, 5 cards, 3 players, 7 cards. Sorry. Oh no. Each deck has 3 cards at 2 players, 5 at 3 players, 7 at 4 players. So we have already had too many. We have this set up we had it set up for
3 players.
3 players. So yes, we need to just take 2 off of each of these stacks.
Yep.
So, and we are going to place the animals over here next to the flowers. If you're playing a 2-player game, you're going to need to return 1 of each type of animal to the box. Normally there are 3 of each of 5 animals. And so with 2 players, we have only 2. Steph is the starting player. She's got the pangolin token. So we're going to play this over 9 rounds, as you see. Go ahead and turn the first round of cards face up, as we have here. And for the first player, Steph is going to have the option of selecting one of these 3 cards. And as soon as she takes her card, she's going to put the pangolin token into the market. So let's say she took this card. She's going to put this in the market. And then this is going to be available for me. I'm going to choose one of these 3 cards. And then we're going to keep going around clockwise, taking cards or the pangolin token until none are left. Now, if you take the pangolin token, notice it's got this multicolored flower icon. That means I can take one of any flower. So, and then after we've taken a card, we're going to place the flowers on the board. Each of these Rainforest boards, it's a 3x3 grid, and you'll notice that these are made up of little island areas. As you can see here, we've got 2 space island, 2 space, 2 space, and 3 spaces. This is a huge 4 space island. This is a lake, and you will never place anything in the lakes, these 3 lake spaces, as you can see. You'll also notice that on each of these areas, it shows the layout for it. I'm not sure how well this is going to show up on green screen since most of these are green, but it does make these black areas stand out. So you see this little T-shaped area, you can clearly see it here next to this 6. If you can manage to fill up this T-shaped area with the same color flower on all 4 spaces, you're going to get 6 points. If you also manage to attract an animal, that animal is going to be worth 9 points. So, When you take a flower card, you will have these flowers to place. All 3 of these flowers must be placed adjacent to one another. So I might place them like so, basically establishing to myself that I've got a white island, a blue island, and a red island that I'm going to want to create nothing but white, blue, or red on. So now I could put whatever I want on this island, but it's not going to score. It'll score minus points at the end of the game. If an island is unfinished at the end of the game, it's going to score negative points. And if it is an area with mixed color flowers, it's going to score negative points as well. So, whenever you plant uh, flowers, you can let's see, let me put out my old example here. The next thing that I draft has to connect to this, not diagonally, has to be orthogonally placed next to this. So maybe next turn, if I were to take this, well, I can place the white up here, or the white here, and then maybe the yellow here. But then what am I going to do with the blue? I'm going to end up with a mixed area if I put it over here. One thing that you can do is to place on top of flowers that you already have. So let's say I took this yellow and red card. I could put the red on top of this and the yellow over here, starting a yellow island. When I do something like this and have 2 on top of each other, you're going to place a tree on top of the 2 flowers. So all of these trees, they each of them look a little bit different, but they're basically the same thing. So if you can, let's say I've got my tree here and I managed to get a second red flower on here. That would also be a tree, but look, it is the last. This completes this island perfectly. If you get a situation like this and you create a perfect island that contains flowers of a single color and trees on all the flowers, you are going to get the matching animal, which is going to take the place of a tree. So I won't have that tree here. Instead, I'm going to place this animal. And I'll place them right here. Then, what is this animal going to do, Steph?
He's going to spread his manure everywhere.
That's right. He's going to fertilize.
Fertilizing everything.
So, he can go orthogonal to where he is. Obviously, in the lake, you can't really put anything in the lake. So it would have been even better if this would have been our last one, where the orangutan is. You can put whatever flower you want on these 2 spaces. So definitely, I'm going to put a blue flower here. And I don't know, maybe I'm scoring something for blue flowers. Maybe I put this blue flower over here, or a yellow or a white, whatever I want. If for some reason, let's say these were already there, what you're going to end up doing is creating
trees,
more flowers, which will create more trees, which actually might have created yet another animal if there was already a tree here, in which case this animal will fertilize. And that sort of makes combo-tastic stuff happen, right?
Yeah.
So, once we, each of us has taken 2 cards or a card and the pangolin token, that's the end of the round. We're going to start the new round with whoever has the pangolin token. We're going to turn up another set of cards. We're going to go 9 rounds. And you're not going to fill up everything. Word of warning.
I think in our first game I filled 2 boards completely.
But then you the last card you took,
It was.
you really didn't want.
I didn't want it at all because it was negative points for the region.
That's right. And that's what I'm going to get to
That
is
was rude.
unfinished and mixed areas. If you start on an area, then you're going to score minus points for that area. So you're going to get 2 points for trees, each tree. You're going to score the points for the animal, 3 points, 6 points, and 9 points. You're going to get points for the completed areas. And a completed area doesn't have to have trees everywhere. They just have to have flowers all over that area of the same type. And you're going to score, and those are going to score the points next to the little Tetris looking tile. Finally, you're going to score minus points. The minus points, unfortunately, are the same as the positive points, but in the inverse of that. So if I had a situation that looked like this, I'm going to score -2, -6, -2, -2,
Plus
plus 2, plus 2,
plus the monkey.
plus the monkey, plus the trees. So that's how that goes. If you want, there's a family variant which removes the fertilize action when you attract an animal, and you don't score minus points if you play family version. There's also the advanced variant, which includes ecosystem cards. Shuffle up all the ecosystem cards and deal 5 at random up at the top. And then you're going to score for each of these ecosystem rules. And we are going to play with those. So, what are our ecosystem rules? Let's see here. We've got, what card is this? 23?
I think so.
Card 23. Score 8 points for each of your 4 rainforest boards that has trees and or animals on all spaces. Of course, lakes also contribute, meaning lake is already pre-filled. And each orangutan on those boards will add 4 bonus points. So 12 if you can complete a board and
it has orangutan.
Yes.
Wow.
The one up there.
2 points per tree on blue.
2 points per tree on blue flowers. Yes. Card number 14 there is score 7 points for each animal you have in areas of 4 or 5 spaces total. Basically, all those are just all of the 4 and 5 space combinations.
And tigers are bonus.
Yes, Sumatran tigers in those areas, not in the 2 areas or the 3 areas, right. But they specifically must be in a 4.
Area. It's hard to do, by the way.
Yes. 2 points for each animal in those little 2 space areas. And finally, 3 points for each completed area with only red flowers. Hey, Cosmic Beat. This is all you, Steph. You're going to give this up and take.
Show the insert.
The insert is fantastic, and that comes with the game.
Yeah, it's nice.
And I should say the complete name of this game, HUTAN, Life in the Rainforest.
Yeah, I'm going to take red, white, and blue.
Seems patriotic. I'm going to do white, blue, and yellow. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's terrible. Why would I do white, blue, and yellow?
I don't know.
That's terrible.
Okay. Doesn't seem that terrible.
It's terrible.
Start working on your big...
Because I want this. I want red.
Yeah, but you just need one red on one section of the board.
Sadly, it's not. It's not the section I'll be working on.
Okay, well, I'll take it if you don't take it.
Well, it helps you.
I like that card a lot.
It helps you. No, maybe it doesn't help you that much. Yeah, I just got to math out where I want it. So the only 4 areas we've got are these 2.
Yeah, you mentioned Aqua Cosmic Beam. I feel like Aqua is way more puzzly than this one, which is good. I think this is like a little bit lighter, so you don't have to take it like too seriously, and you don't have to. If you don't put it exactly where you want, it's generally okay. I'll take that. I
Do
grew
this.
the tree.
Good job, Butte.
I'm gonna grow this lovely red tree. It's a redwood.
All right, that's that. This is what we've got.
Oh man. That is not what I wanted to see.
I know.
Just so we're all clear.
We got to take white, red, yellow.
No.
Yeah, gotta do it.
No. Mm.
I mean, I don't really want the yellow, but that's what I'm stuck with.
Start all these regions.
So I can be first player or
or
not first player with the same thing.
interesting.
I wonder what I'm doing.
Probably take this and take blue.
Should I place here? I could place back in the back corner and fertilize that a different way. You took this, yes?
Yep.
Yuck.
Ooh.
Yeah,
You ooh.
yuck. That was worst. Then I can take this mess.
It's shuffled.
Oh, yeah?
Not what I wanted.
You get another red black, sadly.
I'll take it.
Uh, uh,
I get a redwood and a dogwood. Wow.
goodness, no
Where's
triples
this
coming out at
that?
all. Ugh, horrible.
Yellow, blue. Yellow, red. I mean, blue, red. I guess is what I'm taking.
It's really bad.
Gotta fill these regions so I don't get -1,000,000 point.
Guess what?
And then we both. You get the pangolin again?
You gave it to me. I mean, what am I
Ah,
supposed to do?
so rude.
Blue, which will make white.
He's gonna poop there, there, and there.
Actually, I need to be putting my trees. I'm not putting my trees.
There, there, and there.
I'm not even putting my trees.
Which gets me this toucan, and he's gonna poop everywhere. There.
That's what happens, folks.
Blue.
Poop everywhere.
And then I get a tree. And then I get this tree.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready. You got what you wanted, I guess.
I mean, I had to.
I guess I have to take this one. Red, white, and blue. Oh, the funny things you do. He's gonna. Well, he can't poop there, so did not do what I wanted. You took the pangolin back again?
I had to. You're missing the had to part.
I guess.
Every now and then.
I guess I'm going here. Eesh.
I'm creating this out of order, unfortunately. Oh, finally, we get a double. Unfortunately, it doesn't do me any good.
Oof. This not what I want.
Nope.
Blue, red. No, that is not a good card. Maybe I can make it work.
Trying to find out how to make this work.
I was really hoping for white. Yellow, yellow. Yellow, yellow is not what I want. So sure. Yellow.
They said yellow, yellow is not what you want.
Well, I took that in case you left it with me.
Yeah, I had to.
Yeah. So
Didn't have any choice.
yeah. So I had no real choice. I'm like,
I'm playing really poorly.
you keep going first.
Yep. I don't want any of this.
I need blue. This is not blue.
The only correct move is this.
But you can't take it.
Oh, I can't because I haven't put it in yet. You're right. I'm taking this. It's just effectively the same thing because this is rhino, which will make this, which is tree, basically has nowhere to poop.
Breathe. And just. Oh, I got this guy. I took him in the wrong place. He poops white.
Oh, great.
And he poops blue. It's a tree.
Yeah, I've lost this game badly.
And then you go.
Working on it.
No, that's fine. I just making sure it wasn't me.
It's you. Yeah, I've got minuses coming up all day long over here. Does he have to fertilize? When placed, the animal may fertilize. Running out of spots here.
No.
I'm done playing so poorly.
I wanted that.
I figured. It's not going to matter on this spot here because you've already taken the animal. I should do this. Fertilize. Now the question is, do I even want to start this? I doubt it. I'm first on this one. Of course it's this. It's a big mess. I want none of this.
Not great. Well, that's not bad. So
Yes, it is.
it's not bad. Red.
Wow.
So
I had to. I had no choice. I'm already going to get minus for that. Might as well just do it.
this guy. Gotta get that down.
Do we not have any more flowers of this type?
I do.
Wait. I'm having trouble here.
Okay.
This does get me a tree, right? Even though it's a bad area.
I think so, yeah. It's two of the same.
And this is you.
Yeah.
You.
Oh boy. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I guess.
Can you please put the pangolin in?
Yes. He's like, because I'm taking it.
You would have to. Since it's got a tree. You put it over here. There's the -2 to a +2. Yeah. Gonna have to do that.
I got no choice. I take this. And I'm putting it here and here.
Black and white. So that's going to give me a tree and negative.
Yep.
That was bad.
Yeah.
I played very poorly.
Okay, you got the score pad.
Yes, I do. Trees.
22.
Same. Animals.
12.
18.
Nice.
Um, completed areas.
Not with the mixed colors.
Completed good areas. One.
28.
Minuses.
-6.
4. Let me make sure I did mine right. 2, 4, 8, 10. 12, 18, 20. Yes, did it right. All right. 40, 60, 56. 28, 40. 62. We are tied going into.
Oh my goodness.
But you have 11.
I do. I just think it.
Card number 1. I have 1 complete area. That's what we need, yes? With trees and animals and lake.
Yeah, I have 3. If it counts a region.
Trees and or animals.
But my question is, I have 1 bad region. Does it still count that board?
It's unclear. So 24 and 8.
+4. Sorry.
Sorry?
+8.
Sorry?
I have the orangutan twice.
Well, you changed it on me twice.
Right.
What do you get?
I get
32.
it. Yes. I forgot about the.
Yeah, you gotta add them all. And then this. I don't know what that is again.
Trees on blue.
I'm still looking.
6.
6. I have 4. 11. Card 3.
0.
0. Yay, I got something. Animals on twofers.
8 points.
4 for me. And something. Completed red areas.
Yep. 6 points.
Same.
Good job. Good job.
10, 60, 70, 81, 89, 56, 58, 88. Yeah, you almost have my score there. 88. 96, 102, 108 to 89.
89, 102.
Sorry?
What'd I get?
108.
108.
As I said.
I misheard you.
Must I have said it. I might have said it.
Look at my beautiful forest.
It's beautiful.
It's so pretty. I like that it's easy, it's quick, you do a lot of things. I played a very different game this time than the first time we played.
I did not.
I'm gonna spread these flowers out and complete the regions and then worry about trees maybe if I can do it. That's cool. Worrying about a 4 region is so hard to try and get the animals on it, so I didn't really try that hard for the 4 region. I still got them
I think you did.
What?
Tried hard for the 4 Oh, I thought you meant the 4 boards.
No, this.
No, you didn't try for that. No.
Or like the T shape over here.
You didn't try for that at all.
No, it's because it was in a bad location. So I'm just gonna leave it over there and not worry about it. And I think that did help me a little bit.
Yep.
So cute, puzzly, definitely family friendly, and one I enjoy.
So. There you have it. HUTAN Life in the Rainforest from the Op. If you enjoyed this teach and playthrough and you want to see more just like it, come find us on YouTube. Just search for Board Gamer Steph and be sure to like and subscribe. Or even better, you can join us live on twitch.tv/BoardGamerSteph, where we stream every Wednesday and Sunday night at 5 p.m. Central. And we stream 3 games or more every single stream. So come join us on Twitch, where we play all the games.
And for those on Twitch, we'll be right back.